Bet that up then, nigga. Yeah. Like I can't do this shit, boy. What?
Yeah. Dude, this ain't what you want, my nigga.
This ain't what you want, boy. I mean, fuck it, I got it. Let's go, DJ.
Okay, it's time to hit the kill switch. These niggas got twisted like I won't get on this mic and rip shit alike. Devi lacking in the lyric department. You might not like what I'ma say, but you gon' hear it regardless. Yeah. And for the kids, I be trying to stop cussing. But goddamn shit, pussy, mother pussy bitch. Explicit content, parental advisory. Derogatories, how I spread my robberies. I go for the throat. Niggas don't want me to blow. I let these niggas hang they self. I just throw them the rope. I go for the throat. Niggas don't want me to blow. I let these niggas hang they self. I just throw them the rope. This bitch on the internet bumping her gums. Speaking on my name, bitch, I'm not the one. You better show me some respect, you generic asshole. I put the barrel of this Mac 90 in your asshole. Yeah, I see it's time to hit the kill switch. Damn, I guess I gotta hit the kill switch. Fuck, I'm turning on the kill switch. This ain't what you want, man. I promise I will kill shit. This ain't what you want, boy.
This is not what you want, boy.
But you wanna see me? Yeah. I got you. Yo, my flow is impeccable. Whoever's skeptical, I turn him to a vegetable. Dude, you compared to me, you not equivalent. You better off dead, just go ahead and switch wrists. The long way, you ain't even mediocre. Let the people judge and they'll tell you Devi's doper. You gassed up like you eating beans and okra. You say you finna blow up what seems to be the hold up. Everything come out your teeth to me is bogus. Let me guess, right now you're in a limousine with Oprah. Negotiating terms to a business proposition. Stop the kidding, the clock is ticking. I'm what the block's been missing. I got this shit in the palm of my hand, my left one, cause the Glock in this one. You niggas can't see me like your eyes are missing. I am a menace, my mind is sickening. I be sending bullets flying at a rapid pace. Blow his brains out, blow his back away. I do this shit for real, I don't exaggerate. M's under my belt, me up, I rock them like they accolades. I live every day like it's a Saturday. I keep shit shaking like Cassius Clay. Whoa, the lyrical threat, a pitiful mess is what's left behind when I spit my rhymes. I used to sniff some lines and commit some crimes. I was the Black Grinch around Christmas times, but now I push rocks, hoes, zips, and nines. I'm trying to blow the fuck up like the Pentagon. Yeah, a living legend. I've been spitting since 11, but I'm not your average rap cat. But nigga disrespect me or this digits I be rapping to be specific. 57 word is bond. I'll put his pistol in a second. Yeah, and leave a bitch nigga dead on the spot. So before you try Devi, you should measure the odds. My niggas get down like the Mexican mob. Fuck going to jail, we take it there with the cops. But on some other shit, we got a fetish for guap. And riding around town getting head from a dime. Yeah, I put my seat back and let her recline and grab her head and let her know she's doing an excellent job. Yeah, I see it's time to hit the kill switch. Damn, I guess I gotta hit the kill switch. Fuck, I'm turning on the kill switch. This ain't what you want, man. I promise I will kill shit.